Market timing is impossible. Is that a commercial real estate myth we can really bust? Hey everybody, Joseph Gazan with Eureka Business Group, your retail navigator for the Dallas-Fort Worth market. And today, this is our final video in our commercial real estate myth busting series. And today we'll talk about timing the market. We hear from a lot of investors, I can't really time the market with commercial real estate. To be honest, I don't know if it's a myth we can really bust because I don't personally believe in timing the market. It is impossible to time the market, just like it's impossible to time the market with stocks. What we can do is understand that time in the market is more about looking at the real estate investment as a long-term thing compared to I'm going to get in and out. And this is how you win the time in the market game. If I can see the trends, if I'm looking at commercial real estate and I understand how cycles work, then I can put myself in a great position today and then wait out the next cycle and then exit when the time is right to exit. So in addition to timing when I get into the market, I also time when I get out of the market. We see cycles, we see when interest rates rise and fall. We can't predict it, but we can see it. We can also see when cap rates are compressing, when cap rates are expanded. We have a lot more visibility to trends because unlike stocks, our trends are long term. It's going to take years before market rates are going to compress from 6 cap rate to 4 cap rate. It's going to take years before interest rates are going to go from the 6 point something percent they are today in 2025 to back to 4 or 5% or even lower. It's going to take years. The black swan events that we had in 2008 and in 2020, they might happen. And when they happen, you need to learn how to take advantage of it, but you can't predict it because that's the definition of a black swan event. So we're not really busting this myth, but we're also saying that commercial real estate give us a better way to leverage market trends and to predict market trends in a more successful way, in a higher probability than it would be with the stock market. So that's it. That finalizes our 7 myth series for commercial real estate myths. We busted every one of them with the last one. And we are really a true believer in commercial real estate. Unlike a lot of brokers out there, we are also commercial real estate investors. So we do what we preach, we do what we teach, and we do what we think is best for our investors. I'm Joseph Goslan with Eureka Business Group, your retail navigator for the Dallas-Fort Worth market. If you're interested in investing in commercial real estate in Texas, in the Dallas-Fort Worth market, give us a call, shoot us a message. We'll be happy to talk to you guys.